Good day, everyone. Hi, it's me, Mercy Sabado, trainee from Academy of Technology Corporation, currently taking Caregiving NC2 course. I'm here to present and demonstrate providing care and support to infants and toddlers, especially the proper procedure of baby bathing on tub. As caregivers, bathing is one of the most important tasks we do. It is not just about ensuring safety, comfort, hygiene, and building a strong bond with the baby. I will show you the correct steps from preparation to finishing. The materials needed are tub with safety mat, basin, washcloth, towel, the baby paraphernalia, liquid soap from top to toe, baby oil, and cotton balls. Thermometer, baby bed mat, swaddle or pranella blanket, clean diaper, clean clothes, set of towel, the hamper or laundry basket, the trash bin. Also, I already set up the clean bed or crib. I place the baby here after to eye care. And now let's proceed the room temperature. Must be 24 to 26 degrees Celsius or 75 to 78 degree Fahrenheit. Already considered. If you don't have a room thermometer available, make the room warm and drops free by closing all windows, doors, and turning off the air conditioning, electric fan. It is safe and suitable for baby, preventing chills or cold while bathing. And let's proceed water temperature, 37 to 38 degrees Celsius or 98.6 to 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, which is warm and safe for the baby's skin. Uh, Water correct level, uh, 5 to 8 centimeters or 2 to 3 inches, which just enough to cover baby's tummy, drowning while prevent drowning while keeping the baby warm. Or if you don't have a water thermometer, let's using elbow, inner wrist, and back of the hand. And now let's do the hand washing procedure. Assuming I already washed my hands before touching the baby. Now I proceed step-by-step procedure, checking the baby's body temperature. Let's get the thermometer, insert it in her armpit, and check if the baby's body temperature is safe and normal before bathing. After checking the baby's body temperature, let's undress the baby. put in a hamper. Now, removing the diaper. Unfasten the tape. Hold the baby's feet. Remove diaper from anterior to posterior. Fold in. Throw in the trash bin. And after undress the baby and removing the diaper, let wrap and transport procedure. Get the baby. Put towel. Put the baby in the center. Fold. And cover the baby. Get the baby and transfer now in the counter table. And now, let's put the baby in the counter table. And now, let's clean the eye. Get cotton balls, dip them in the water, and squeeze the excess. Wipe the inner to outer canthus. Dispose. Get a new one. Dip in the water and squeeze the excess water. Wipe the inner to the outer canthus. Dispose. Get new cotton balls again. Dip in the water, squeeze the excess, and wipe the other side, inner to outer canthus. Inner to outer canthus. After cleaning the eye, let's proceed cleaning the face. Get cotton balls, dip in the water, squeeze the excess water. Now wipe the forehead, the cheek, bridge of the nose, cheek, and chin. Dispose. Get a new one, dip in the water, squeeze the excess water. And now do the other side. Forehead, cheek, bridge of the nose, cheek, and last the chin. After cleaning the eye and cleaning the face, let's proceed cleaning the ears and the neck. Get cotton balls, dip in the water, squeeze the excess water. Now, rub the ear at the back, front, the neck, back, and front. Dispose. And now, let's shampooing the head of the baby. Get the baby, use a football carry, like this. Slowly downward the head. And use your thumb and index finger to close the ears. Wet the head. Now, get shampoo. Lather gently. And let's rinse thoroughly until The shampoo is gone. Pat dry immediately. After shampooing the head's baby, now let's make a mitt. Put your hands in the center, fold edges, both edges, and put in the center, fold and insert. We're gonna use this for baby body bathing. Now let's proceed the baby body bathing. After make a meat, I proceed bath the body of the baby. Remove the towel. Get the baby and bring on the tub. Bath the body. Hold securely. Hold the baby's both leg or arms. Let the baby play first in the water. And now put on the tub. Now get soap. Put on meat. Let's proceed to bath the body. First, the arm from finger to shoulder or armpit, from distal to proximal, or using a circular motion or one stroke. Do the other side also, from distal to proximal, circular motion or one stroke. After cleaning the arms, let's proceed cleaning the chest. And if the umbilical cord is still present, do not touch or wash. And now let's proceed cleaning the back. After cleaning the back, let's proceed cleaning the leg from toes, knees to groin, using a circular motion or one stroke from distal to proximal. Do the other side also, from distal to proximal, in a circular motion or one stroke. After cleaning the legs, let's proceed the perineal area. If a boy circumcised, do not retract the foreskin. If uncircumcised, retract the foreskin, clean the head, the shaft, and the scrotum properly. And if it's a girl, clean the private part, B-stroke, and from anterior to posterior. Now, after cleaning the baby body, let's rinse thoroughly. And let's proceed dry and transfer. Lift up the baby. Place the baby in the towel. Cover immediately. Get the baby and bring on the bed. Remove the towel. Get the baby. Change the towel and put in the hamper. Let's get the new towel. Put the baby, rub, pat dry immediately. And now let's do diapering. Up the leg and hold the feet. Put the diaper. Wait a moment until the perineal is dry. And uh, if the perineal is dry, let's close the diaper securely. And ensures the two fingers inserted between diaper and the baby's tummy. Now, let's put a dress. And now get the baby. Remove the towel, put in the hamper, and cover the pranella or swaddle blanket. Let the baby put in the center. Before cover, let get the body temperature again. Make sure the body's temperature still normal. Get the thermometer. And now let's proceed to cover her. Cover her with the swaddle or pranella blanket. So the baby now is clean. Let's put her on the bed. Bring. Put the baby in a safe. Place the baby in a safe and comfortable position. And after do eye care, let's proceed to clean the area. Wash the things and let's remove all the things in the area. Keep. After clean the area, wash used items and dispose waste properly. Now let's proceed record the activity, time, and observation as required. Demonstration now is complete. The baby is clean, dry, dressed, warm, and comfortable. This ends of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching.